Hi everyone, in this video I will explain to you a TOAS POS system tutorial for beginners. First is setting up your TOAS POS system. For your hardware setup, connect the provided hardware including the TOAS POS terminal, card readers, and printers. Follow the on-screen prompts on the device for initial configuration. For network connection, ensure the terminal is connected to a stable internet connection, either via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Next is logging in. Each employee and manager gets a unique PIN for logging in. Use the provided PIN to access the main menu. Next, navigating the dashboard. The main screen includes options for managing orders, viewing reports, and accessing settings. Key features include order management. Select the order option to input and manage customer orders. For the payments, process payments directly through the POS, supporting various payment types including cash, credit cards, and contactless methods. Next is creating and managing menus. Use the menu builder in the dashboard to create categories, subcategories, and individual menu items. This allows you to customize the layout to match your restaurant's offerings. Next is placing and sending orders. Tap on the appropriate menu category and select items to add an order. Once the order is complete, send it to the kitchen or bar using the Send Order button. The processing payments. Select the payment options, choose the payment method, and complete the transaction. You can also split checks, apply discounts, and issue refunds directly from the payment screen. Lastly is the reporting and analytics. Access sales report, track employee performance, and monitor inventory through the report section. TOAS provides detailed analytics to help manage your business effectively. For further learning, TOAS offers online courses and a hands-on practice environment through its TOAS Classroom, which is ideal for both beginners and advanced users. And that's basically it.